Hello, and it's Andrew here at Life and Piggrow, and a common question we often get asked, really common question at this time of year for kind of maintaining your house is, how do you get air out your radiators before you switch your central heating on? And you need one of these. You see it? Ooh. That is a radiator key, and I'm going to show you how to use it. At the end of most radiators, you'll find one of these. This is an air valve. You see, there's the square bit, and this fits in like so, goes in. And it's a matter of really, you've got to have a cloth for this. Don't just undo it because it will go everywhere. And then open it up. And if water comes out like that, we're fine. We don't need to drain that radiator, just dry up down the side. There's no air in that one, which is a good sign. Let's go and check another radiator. So this is the radiator in our bathroom, and let's have a see. Can you hear it? Straight away. Little hiss of air. I can feel water, and off I come like that. And the reason I've done it that way, where I have a cloth there, it stops it from spraying all over your wall. And that's 2 radiators down and another 2 to go. Now, just check your boiler and make sure that the pressure is in the green bar. All boilers come with something on like this, and it tells you where your pressure is supposed to be. If it's lower than the optimum, you need to top your boiler up, and that differs from boiler to boiler, but you should have a tap going to your cold feed underneath your boiler. There tends to be 2 on a loop. They need to be both open and then both closed. So if you're watching this and you're saying, well, I already know how to do that, Andrew. I already know how to do it. There's plenty of people out there who don't. And this little key here in my hand can save you hundreds upon hundreds of pounds in damage to your boiler. Because if you get airlocks in your system, it damages it. Slowly but surely damages it. And sometimes that can be quite catastrophic. So it's important you get your airlocks out. But also, if you've got no airlocks in your system, you're not paying a fortune to heat air within your boiler system, within your radiators. You're supposed to be paying to heat the water. And it makes it inefficient if you've got airlocks. So, simple, easy thing to do as we're going into winter. And until next time, it's goodbye from me, Andrew at Life and Piggrow. Don't forget, if you enjoy what we do, like and subscribe. Until next time, when I see you here on a Saturday, bye bye.